Decepticons have fled the area. The fleet is safe.
No one is safe. Not with Megatron free.
Ironhide's right. The danger to the human species and our own has just increased exponentially. Our skill levels are on the rise. We must continue this trend if we are to beat the Decepticons.
Our old friend Sam Witwicky may be in danger. A Decepticon incursion has begun on the East Coast.
So, my apprentice has awoken.
I have failed you, Master. I have failed the Fallen.
No. There is another means of creating Energon. A machine stolen from me long ago. Its location has been absorbed by the Insect Child, who helped destroy the Allspark.
Let me avenge myself, Master. Let me strip the very flesh from his body.
Patience, my apprentice. First, he must be found.
Lord Megatron, at last.
Starscream, you left me to die on that insect planet.
Only to seek reinforcements, my lord. In your absence, someone had to take command.
Even in death, there is no command but mine.
Why are we not pursuing our enemies with more wrath?
There are some among us, Grindor, who have forgotten the joy of conflict and pain and death. They are weak, and they rob our victories of pleasure.
Yes, that is it exactly.
I must pay my respects to my master, the Fallen. Only he can lead us to triumph.